And finally, episode 30, which is a lot. I definitely thought it was going to take less. But in the episode 30, well, first off, where you been? I haven't uploaded in about a week. 8 days, maybe, even. Well, some things happened, some didn't. But I had an idea, a great idea, actually, to not only to not start with the nature assets, but maybe start with like the building assets, with the point of interest assets, and then build out from that. So maybe place like a house and then build around it, and then place another house, build around that, and then step by step get the whole world going. So obviously I needed a asset pack for the buildings, and generally I'm going for some cabins or lodges or something like that. So I went ahead and I was like, well, I'm just gonna make like a dozen assets, maybe 2 dozen assets for like the walls and everything, so we can just get started. But then I fucked around and found out that I can make about 237 of them. So I just went ahead and made a bunch of different things that I'm gonna need. And yes, this will be available on most of the stores. Probably not on the Unity asset store because it takes a long fucking time to get approved. But you can get this for yourself on itch.io, CGI, CG Trader, ArtStation, Sketchfab, wherever you like. And what took so long? Well, there's 237 of them, so I had to import them all into Unity because I also make Unity packages, and then I had to also import them all into Godot and make like mesh instances out of them and static bodies and everything. Yeah, it took a while. But let's not think about that. Let's actually import the assets. And yes, the asset pack does come with a Godot package for Godot 4.1.3. So if you want to get it for yourself, you can just drag and drop into Godot like this. Wait for it to import. It's going to take a while because there's almost 250 of them. So yeah, that is a little nice feature of life in there. And just like that, we have them in here. Where are you? Yeah, Low World, Lodges and Cabins. And if you take a look at the Scenes folder, you'll see there's quite a few of them. So finally we can start building maybe like a little house or something like that. So I'm gonna get a brand new 3D scene in here, and I'm gonna create a new folder for presets so we can make some reusable houses. This one is obviously not going to be reusable because I want to have like a specific one where the player starts the game. So that's the one I'm going to be making first. And I just named it Cabin Main. So now enjoy this little time lapse. Alright, I'm happy with this, and now let's place it into the world. I still haven't figured out how I'm gonna place them all into chunks and grids, and so I'll just be placing it very randomly for now. Whoa, that actually looks really good. Something like this might work. What I want to do now is, as you can see, this tree is in my way, but thankfully, since I'm using this, I can add a scatter shape to it, and I can make it negative. Now I just have to figure out why this now isn't spawning trees here anymore. Because it should be. What if I reset Godot? Okay, now it does work. I mean, there's no trees here. I was just interested in why the fuck it wasn't working. That was weird. That was very, very weird. Cool. Really cool. Let's check it out as the player, because that's cool. Oh, lovely. Look at that. A house. This actually does look quite okay. Not gonna lie. It's just that the grass on the floor and the grass here are not matching colors, so it kind of looks a bit weird. But we should be able to go and explore our little house. If I can get through the door, which I can't. Why is the player so big? 1 second. Oh no. Let's try now. What happened with this grass piece? What the fuck? And we can go through doors. Nice. Yeah, the player was, the collider was a bit too big. And now we can explore. Well, we can't touch anything because we don't have interactions set up that way. Why? Why now this? Why do you do this? Oh, I got stuck. I think this raycasted to the player, because this is exactly where the player spawns. And then it placed the grass piece there. That's interesting. Okay, let's see if we can walk to the second floor. Or the first. That's actually the first floor, not the second one. The door is still working, and this is... Oh, it is. It's a bit weird. Oh, the stairs don't have are not a ramp. They're more of a... Okay, that's the code part then. I'm fine with that. Look at the little flowers. And we've got our bed. The carpet needs to have its collider removed because now it's just stupid. Look at that. Would you look at that? The player definitely needs to be a bit... he's a bit too tall. But yeah, this is what I wanted to show you. It's what I've been working on, and I don't think I'll be making like everything into a video, like if I add more houses or anything. So if the uploads get a bit thin, that's because I'm working on the world and I don't want to make a video for every little house that I make. So I'll probably be doing some other stuff while I work on this. I'm not sure. There's a bunch of stuff that I need to do. So, but for this update, that will be it. I mean, I love how this looks. It's pretty cool. Get this. If you want to support me, you can get this on, as I already said, most of the pages. There'll be a link in the description. But yeah, thank you for watching. Until the next update, I guess. Bye now.